Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix low GPU usage in games. Before diving into the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if this video made a difference for you. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, first of all, open settings on your computer, go over to system. Now, scroll down a little bit and click on about. Okay, now here, click on advanced system settings. Now here, choose advanced. Now click on settings. Again, choose advanced and click on change. Okay. Now here, uncheck this box. Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck this and select your C drive and click on custom size. Now here, put the value 4096 on both the boxes. Okay. Now select D drive and make sure you have selected this checkbox, no paging file. Okay. Make sure you have selected 4096 and 4096. Now click on set and just click on OK. And that's it for the video. After that, just restart your computer and you're good to go. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.